Welcome back to Cooking with Hannah. Today we're going to be making a biscuits and gravy breakfast. So we're going to make biscuits and gravy, hash browns, scrambled eggs, and sausage. We're going to start with the hash browns first because those take the longest to cook. So here we go. So grab a potato, wash it, scrub it, peel it if you want, or leave the peel on, totally fine, and dice it into small pieces so that it will cook faster. Put a nice bit of oil in your pan and get it hot. Add your potatoes and some salt, spread them out in a nice thin layer and lower the heat some. Every so often, I can't do this with one hand, but every so often mix it up and flatten it out again. You want to get all the sides nice and cooked and nothing burned. Cook the potatoes till they're nice and tender and they kind of start to clump together like this, stick together. Now we're going to make the biscuits, and for that you need flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, oil, milk. Sarah, this is your biscuit recipe, so thank you. Alright, in this bowl we have 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons sugar, but I accidentally put 3, that's cool, and 1 teaspoon salt. So let's go ahead and give that a good mix, get everything all integrated. Now add 2/3 a cup of milk and 1/3 a cup of oil, and mix that all in till it's fairly smooth. Here we have our biscuit dough, and now we're just going to shape it into balls and stick it on a baking sheet. Here are our pre-cooked biscuits, and we're going to preheat the oven to 245 Celsius, 475 Fahrenheit. 245. I should have already had that preheated, but it's fine. It only takes a couple minutes. So while the biscuits are cooking, you can quickly whip up your sausage and scrambled eggs, and then we'll finish off with the gravy. So here I've got going just a few pieces of kielbasa sausage, and just cook it how you like it. Now for my scrambled eggs, I've recently discovered an addition that takes scrambled eggs to the next level, and that is cream cheese. Just stick, some chunks of cream cheese in it, and woo, good stuff. So I've got my eggs scrambled up, ready to go in with the salt and pepper and the cream cheese, like I said. And we're just going to pop that in the pan and scramble it up. And now we have 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons flour, and we're making that roux again to get the gravy started. So get this to a nice brown-ish color, and then we're going to add in 1 cup milk. So that's 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons flour, and a cup of milk. So add in salt and pepper to taste, and then boil this for about a minute to get it kind of to thicken up. I've just pulled the biscuits from the oven. They cooked for about 10 to 12 minutes, and now I will put everything together. Here's our meal. We got biscuits and gravy, scrambled eggs with the cream cheese addition, hash browns. Feel free to add ketchup or whatever you want to top, or hot sauce, whatever, and sausage. Dig in.